Hey guys, what's up? It's Ash from WZMB and Pirate Media 1. I am just here to show you how to use the calendar setting in your Microsoft Outlook that we have available to us. So you can set that up and make sure that anybody that needs to see what you're doing as far as scheduling appointments, they don't have to talk to you too much about when you're free. They can just see when you're free. So go down to the bottom where there's the little calendar looking icon. You can come in here and see all the different stuff that you have on your calendar. If you don't have anything on your calendar, it will be blank, like this section. All right, so if you come down here, you can go to wherever your little, I'm on a Samsung device, so Android, so it might look a little different depending on what device you're on, but there should be an add button somewhere. Mine's in the bottom right corner, and that allows you to create a new event. So you can put in class and select when the day it is. So if it's going to be on, let's see, how about next Monday the 4th, we'll just say that. It is going to be from, we'll say 7 to 8 p.m. just because it's not a real class for me, it's just an example. You can even put in the location, description, location here, description down here, and then the repeat setting. This one's going to be big, so go to repeat. You can change this to weekly, and then that pops up with other options. So I can come in here, and if my class is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I can select Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's going to go off every week for Monday, Wednesday, Friday until whenever I choose for it to stop. So if you want to choose a specific date, since we're done in May or April or whatever it is, we'll just say May because I don't know the actual date, last day of class. So we'll just say Friday the 10th is the last day of class just for fun. And so that sets that up, and click OK. And that's pretty much it. You can also set an alarm if you want down here at alert. So it gives you all the options for, like, if you want to set an alarm before each class, that's good too. Show yourself as busy. You can always change this, free, tentative, out of the office, anything like that. Typically you're going to want to keep it as you're busy, because if you're free, then just don't put anything there. You can also set it to private or public. Right now this is public because I want anybody to be able to look at it and know that I'm going to be in class every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 7 to 8 in the evening. So yeah, and then you just click the little check mark, and that saves it and it adds it in there. Here we go. Here it is, right down here. Monday, February 4th, 7 p.m. class, and then it also continued to Wednesday, February 6th, 7 p.m. class, and Friday, so that'll just keep continuing. So that's not a real class for me, just an example for you guys. But yeah, so that is it. If you have any questions about the calendar app within your Microsoft Outlook that you are using for your ECU student email, then make sure to ask your director or manager or anybody that's been there a while and knows how to do it. It's not too difficult, but hopefully this video helped you out, and enjoy your calendar.